Okay, it's getting super dark out really quick, which kind of happens this time of year. What time is it? Like 2:30 in the afternoon. Might get a little squirrely here. I gotta put my glasses on. But I've stopped. Not because of the dark. Not that I'm afraid of the dark, because I'm not. Did you hear something? No, I'm just kidding. The thing is this. I don't even know if you can see, but I'm getting into a bunch of super dry grass, straw. So I still have a good, and it's really dry toward the bottom. One of the things about the compost system down here that I don't like, why I wanted it up by the garden, but it just didn't fit up there, because I initially did build it up there. I have no hose down here. So to get water down, I either have to hook several hoses together, or buckets, or leave the lids open when it rains. This worked out well. Looks really good. But I think it's too dry. I think that's why I cooled down. We run out of moisture. Seems like a lot of brown compared to green. I'm not real sure. So I'm about 75-25 split here on that bin that was here. So I'm now gonna let this sit until probably tomorrow, and I'm gonna get some water down here. I am going to water this up and hopefully get it moist. Everything will get going nice. And I'm trying to use this tripod like a selfie stick now. Oh, I'm only like 10 years behind the times. Anyways, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what is going on at Noah's house this evening. It's seriously about 6:30. But this weekend is daylight savings, where we turn the clocks back. It's just, we won't even go there. But anyways, I'll come back tomorrow when I have some water. Show you I'm gonna water it in. I'm gonna mix it, because if I put it all in there, it's gonna be too hard to mix it up. So I'll put the water, I'll be able to mix that around with a fork and put this in, put some water, mix it up. And I'm betting that that's gonna kick this pile back up, because we were at 160 degrees. I posted it, I made a video a couple months ago. But anyways, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get these hoods closed, roofs closed. I'm gonna get in the house, because it's getting cold. It's getting dark. The squirrels come out at night. See you in a bit. Whew, okay. It is the 3rd of November. I was out here yesterday moving some compost from bin to bin. I want to stop because I wanted to water. I have these 2 hoses that I use, extensions into my garden to get up by the asparagus and stuff. I used to have 2 other hoses on that, and I thought, they're never gonna make it. Well, there's the hose. It made it all the way out here to my bins. So I don't have my tripod or anything, because it's cold. I want to do this. I don't mean to sound like a big, where's the camera? See, let's look over there, but apparently the camera's there. But you can't help but look at yourself, you know? But seriously, it's cold out. I don't want to set all that stuff up right now. So I will film a little bit. Actually, I'm going to turn the camera around and film some stuff, because I think it looks so much better. I'm going to do that now. But it's cold, and we're going to play with some water. So here's where we left off. I'm going to get my thermometer just to see if it did heat up just from, moving the air around in it. This is looking great. Looking good. Looking great. I may even spray just a little water. No, it's moist enough. It's funny how this plastic tightens up when it gets cold. According to my phone, it's 33 degrees right now. So, anyways, I'm gonna get flipping these lids up. I'm gonna get my fork. I'm gonna get some water on here. I'm gonna mix it up. And if I do have some crazy temperature in there, I will definitely record that. All right, so I keep wetting it down and mixing it and wetting it down, getting it nice and moist. And it's loose and it's working out well. I don't have my glasses on, so I'm hoping this video is in focus and everything, because according to my eyes, it's not. But all in all, just a little bit of work. I'm gonna start doing that with this one, putting it into there. I think it's looking pretty good. I did put the thermometer in there. Got up to about 20 degrees centigrade. So not warm at all. But I'm gonna keep mixing. I'm gonna keep wetting it down. I'm gonna keep turning it in. And I'll show you when it's all in the middle bin. All right, so there's the tools of the trade today. And I got it. Well, it's a little on the bottom. I found some moles in there. I really disturbed them and freaked them out, but sorry. And it's all layer to layer, moistens up pretty good. Hopefully it's not too wet. It is possibly supposed to go back into the 60s next week. So this might all heat back up, but it was a good turn. There's a lot of mixed up stuff in there now. It's moist, hopefully not too moist. And this is looking good. This will sit. That one over there's got my compost in it. Build this up, get it real high, get it like up to here, up to the top. Let it sit, let it sink, let it sit, let it sink. And then at the end of winter, it'd be real nice to flip it back into there. I got this dial. Woo! You know, that would be pretty cool. But anyways, that's what I set out to do yesterday, and I couldn't finish it because I need water over here, and it was getting uber dark. But now we're all done, and the compost stuff should be good to go for the winter. I'll just be loading this up with everything I get from the kitchen and where I can get cardboard and paper, and all should be good. Whew, and that's what's going on at Noah's house this evening.